Hi, I'm Anis Nabilah and I love food. Ever since I was young, I would spend hours in the kitchen with my mother, just watching her cook. Everyone's favorite chef is their mother, and of course, my mother is my #1 chef. I must have spent a lot more time in the kitchen than I did at the playground. When I was 10, I was so determined to make the perfect telur dadah. It all started with an egg. And now I've created so many recipes using this key ingredient. I love incorporating Malaysian ingredients into the dishes I create, but I also find inspiration in the flavors I tasted from my travels around the world. Food brings everyone together, and that is my drive to keep on doing what I do. Jemput makan!